Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I did a super fast little spotlight eye with the Colourpop and the Mandalorian, the Child palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hello, I've been having a lot of fun with the Child palette lately, so I figured I'd film a tutorial. So to start out, I'm taking Float Your Crib on the ABH A14 brush. I'm applying it to the part of my eyelid where my eyeball kind of rounds, if that makes sense. And I'm going to be taking it all, like, not all over the lid, I almost said that, but like on the inner part of the lid as well. And then with my infamous Morphe brush, are we there yet? No. Okay. I talked too fast. But now, with the infamous Morphe brush, or nameless Morphe brush, I'm taking the shade Little Frog and doing back and forth windshield wiper motions to get that blended out and get it a little bit more seamless. With my Vasanti brush, I'm taking Babyface to soften the blend up a little bit. Get that nice blenderoo. I'm doing back and forth windshield wiper motions and also like circular motions. So with the circular motions, if you go clockwise, you want to go counterclockwise as well because it will give you a more even blend. And now let's touch these shades up and get them a little bit more vibrant. So I'm going to touch up Float Your Crib just to get it brought back into the play here. You know, real nice little transition there. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that. I just forgot what it was. Anyway, I'm taking all the shades and just touching them up right now. I'm sorry about that. I completely just lost my train of thought. But what else is new? So now here, I'm going to take my finger and apply Sipping Soup to the center of my lid. I'm kind of taking it up to the brow bone, if that makes sense, just like all over. And it'll get a little messy, but we're also going to get that nice and blended together for just a minute. But I'm just working it all the way up. And to get it nice and blended together, I'm taking more Float Your Crib. I want those shades to look like they're hugging. I'm really kind of just patting the shade and then doing back and forth motions to get it nice and blended. It really does make the shades look like they're hugging. And because I'm extra, I'm taking a little bit more Sipping Soup and applying it and getting that really shiny, because I like shiny. To soften the blend, I'm dipping into the Blends palette by Blend Bunny Cosmetics for the shade Cream and Sugar with my Sigma E25 brush. I'm just going to blend out the lighter green shade. It's going to make it look more airbrushed, softer, more seamless, and just better in my opinion. Here I'm going back in with that Vasanti brush and Babyface just to get that a little bit more vibrant, but with Cream and Sugar it'll still look more airbrushed and like less harsh, because really what I was going for was a less harsh of a blend. I almost totally stumbled over less harsh. Like, why is that almost a tongue tie for me? And for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking the shade Precious Cargo. It's just, yes, that's all I can say. Yes, like, so extra poppin'. Pop some gems on for a little extra effect, and there you have it, the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry for the voiceover. I was just behind on everything today, and I almost gave up mid-look, even though it literally took me about 15 minutes to do this eye. I don't know what the deal is today. I just kind of like super pumped to do a look, and then as soon as I started, I was losing motivation, and I was like, okay, let me just do a voiceover because that'll make it easier on me. But if you don't like voiceovers, let me know, and I'll try to get better at doing just all talk-throughs. But if you do like voiceovers, let me know, and I can do them a little more frequently. I try not to do them too much because I do like to be as detailed as possible while I'm doing looks. That way, it can be informative and interesting if it's interesting at all. But yeah, so I keep wanting to call it the Baby Yoda palette, but it's the child palette. It's so cute. I just decided that I might as well start doing some more looks with it because I think I only had one, and then I noticed like they released that and the Mandalorian palette, and now I'm just like, I need the Mandalorian palette. Like, I feel like it would be a vibe. I haven't ordered it yet. Hopefully it'll be on sale with the Cyber Monday stuff. I haven't checked yet, but who knows? For my lashes, let me grab those real quick. I was definitely just, I'm about over lashes. I love them, but some days I'm just like, no thanks. But these are the iLord London Volume 3/4 length, number 005. Halfies, little baby lashes. And yeah, I don't know if there's anything else that's interesting that I have going on, but this lip combo is Gerard Cosmetics Mudslide and Nude for my lips that I aligned them with, and then the Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump Soap and Glory Gloss. I love it. It makes my lips feel like they are vibrating. I love plumping glosses that low-key hurt. This one doesn't really hurt. It just makes my lips feel like they're vibrating. Now, I'll tell you one that makes them hurt is the Too Faced, what kind is this? The Maximum Plump. Oh Lord, I love it. But yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next down below. Don't forget to use hashtag Slightly Unblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. I will have all my social medias down below just in case you want to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. I almost jumbled all those. Like, I tried to make Twitter and TikTok be one word just then. I'm very active on Instagram, and I'm trying to get better at Twitter, so, and TikTok. So just mainly like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. You can find me doing the absolute most in those 3 places. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It makes my whole day, and I'm very thankful for all my friends that I've made here. And I guess that's it for this one. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!